Hey, what's going on, guys? So this one I'm pretty excited about. Taste tests. I saw this was going to be released, or they talked about it early this year, like February, something like that. I thought it sounded really interesting, so finally was able to find it. No deal. This was a 12 pack for $8 or something. So I usually would not spend that money. I happened to see this. I was visiting family out in the country, and it was literally a small little hole-in-the-wall grocery store that happened to have cases of it. So I'm like, all right, fine. I have to try it. So this one is A&W Ice Cream Sundae, 0 sugar. It says no caffeine, so if you can't have caffeine, not a problem. Ice cream sundae soda, artificially flavored. Yeah, duh, right? I mean, there's not ice cream in here. 0 calories. Okay, so again, this is the 0. 75 milligrams of sodium, which is 3% of your daily intake, or at least if you have a normal intake. So, this actually has the ingredients: carbonated water, sodium benzenate, which is a preservative, citric acid, caramel color, aspartame, aspartame, potassium, natural and artificial flavors, contains phenylalanine. And that's it. Produced under the authority of Dr. Pepper 7-Up Inc. Interesting. So anyway, will it taste like an ice cream sundae? I'm here to tell you. Okay, first, the smell. That's not what I expected. It smells very, very strong of chocolate. Maybe like a little vanilla, a chocolate vanilla, but like heavily, heavily chocolate. I do not smell root beer. I do not smell anything else. This is like 90% chocolate with a little vanilla on the end. So, okay, going in. Yeah, that's really, really good. Excuse me. But I gotta take another sip. That's my nose is, I touched the can and my nose is making my nose itchy. Ugh. All right. Wow. All right, so number one surprise. There is 0 root beer flavor. I thought this would be root beer with chocolate sundae, right? Ice cream sundae. Which ice cream sundae to me, I feel like chocolate is going to be a predominant flavor from that fudge, but like maybe some like strawberry or, you know, vanilla ice cream, that kind of thing. Maybe if they could pull off like sprinkle flavored. Maybe a little bit of cherry, just because a lot of times on a chocolate sundae or ice cream sundae there'll be a cherry. But none of that. It is, like, seriously, just how it smells is 90% chocolate with 10% like a vanilla finish, like a creamy vanilla. Yeah, that I have to keep trying it. It's like blowing my mind. I think it is phenomenal. It is not A&W root beer. It is not an ice cream sundae. This is a 0 sugar chocolate soda. So if you think that sounds good, you really need to check this out. All right. So I know a lot of people will never, like, they'll see this is the store or whatever, and they just hate root beer. And, you know, nothing here says root beer. This is my own wrong assumption to see A&W and think root beer. It's not advertising root beer at all. In fact, A&W makes cream soda. You know, it has nothing to do with root beer. That's my own doing of just associating it with root beer flavor. So yeah, right out of the get-go, I'm sure with my comments, because I'm thinking now, you'd be like, well, why would it taste like root beer? It doesn't, because it's not supposed to. But yeah, I mean, it doesn't taste like an ice cream sundae to me. It just tastes like rich chocolate fudge with a very creamy vanilla finish, which is inherently still delicious. Absolutely delicious. So I highly recommend this thing. If you, again, think a chocolate soda sounds good to you, this is the best one I've had. I've had chocolate soda before. I don't recall the brand, but I remember having it and thinking like, oh, it's unique. It's different. This is definitely, because it's a chocolate flavor, chocolate and vanilla, You would not have this with a meal, I wouldn't think. I mean, it would be gross to me. Really heavily flavored drinks like this, I generally will have like on its own. It's its own little treat. It's a little 0-calorie dessert. It's a snack. It's just there to taste good. Like, I wouldn't pair this with a sandwich or a cheeseburger or lasagna or soup or anything. Like, we wouldn't have it with dinner, with, you know, lunch as a drink option. Unless, of course, that's something that sounds really good to you. But, yeah. Chocolate soda. Very tasty. I would definitely get this again if it was on sale. I'll never pay full price again like that. That was just too expensive for me. But there you go. A&W Ice Cream Sundae Zero Sugar Soda. Huge thumbs up. Love it. Thanks for watching. Of course, if you tried this before, let me know in the comment section what you think of it. But that is it. 90% chocolate. Like, not even just chocolate. It's fudge. It is chocolate fudge, like ice cream fudge. Very, very good. Very creamy. Very rich. Sweet. Not like overly sweet. It really hits the spot for like a sweet. If I have a sweet tooth or something and I just don't want to have the calories or chew anything, I suppose I would drink a can of this. So very, very good. But of course, you guys try it. Let me know in the comment section. Oh, and P.S. Yes, that is a Red Ryder BB gun. I know someone's going to ask. Have a great day, guys. Take care.